Well, it was a stormy afternoon across the area. As we look right now, we have a fair amount of lingering clouds with some sun going through those clouds too. That has kept the temperatures down today. Now we have a couple spots that are still seeing some rain. We're tracking an area of heavy rain along Highway 301. Also a few lightning strikes there north of Sylvania. Nothing severe though here. It's moving into areas that had some heavy rain earlier, so it's not going to strengthen any. Further to the south, we have some heavy rain that is also on a weakening trend there north of Statesboro. Notice how the lightning strikes have decreased over the last 30 minutes. And so again, nothing severe here. It's going to continue to weaken as it heads further east. And to the southwest, around Oak Park, north of Vidalia there, are tracking a small area of heavy rain and a decreasing area of lightning. Again, this is nothing severe, and it will continue to weaken as it heads east, but you'll see some additional rain in Cobbtown and Metter coming up here over the next half hour. Now let's take a look at what we're tracking overnight. We'll have lingering clouds at 10 o'clock, and those clouds will be thinning out for the rest of the night. And by the time we wake up at 7 a.m., our skies will be mostly clear. Through the day tomorrow, looks like we'll have a lot more sun throughout the day than we did today. 4 o'clock, our skies should still be mostly sunny, and that's going to make a big difference in our temperatures versus what we saw today. Looking at our numbers right now, where many spots are below 90. We're 84 in Hinesville, 83 in Savannah. We're close to 90 in Pembroke, and we are up to 90 degrees in Glenville as the air mass has recovered some from earlier. Now, as we look at tomorrow, though, here's what the models have. The models have us solidly in the mid-90s by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then on Thursday, our computer model has us up to 97 at 4 o'clock. And on Friday, it gets even hotter. It has us up to 99 degrees at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And the humidity is going to stay high, and so the heat index is going to average about 105 tomorrow, and at least up to about 110 for those Thursday and Friday afternoons. In the morning tomorrow, fair and muggy, 75 degrees at 7 a.m. Your temperature at 3 o'clock will be jumping up to about 95, and it'll feel like about 105 with the humidity. Here are your upcoming tides. High tide will occur late tonight, 4:44. Out on the water, the wind direction will be out of the west-southwest. Seas will average 1 to 2 feet. Skies will remain mostly sunny. Let's look at your pollen report. Things are pretty low right now except mold, and that's showing up in the high range. Now we'll look at your weekend forecast. And we are going to stay pretty hot heading into Saturday, still in the mid to upper 90s. And then we'll see some cooler air backing in from the northeast. Should have a high in the low 90s on Sunday. As that cooler air comes in, it looks like we're also going to have a chance for some scattered showers and storms. Now, right now, it looks like the better chance for rain is on Sunday versus Saturday. We'll continue to fine-tune that as we get closer. Here's your entire Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. Very hot Thursday and Friday. Highs up to 98 on average. Some places certainly could touch 100 degrees. And then we'll see the heat gradually easing off this weekend, more so on Sunday. And early next week, our high temperatures will be back down to around 90.